Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn any Android phone into an iPhone. First of all you have to do is open your Google Play Store and search for Phone X launcher or iPhone launcher, for example. I will select this launcher and it has 100 million plus downloads. So I will click on install. Once it's installed, I will click on open and I will agree and select get started. It will ask me for some permissions. I will click on agree. Or I can also choose full screen style. I will choose the full screen style and click on get started. And now I can click on create, set default. I will change my default launcher from Pixel launcher to iPhone launcher. Now it's telling me some of the basics how I can use the application. Now let's see if I scroll down from the top of the notification, what will happen. Now it's opening my notification just like an iPhone. If I scroll down from the battery bar, it will open the quick settings. From here I can change it needs more permissions. I will allow them. And after that, I will go back. Now let's see. I can change the brightness of my phone. I can toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or I can turn on the torch of my phone. I can either open the camera application. As you can see, the camera app is opened and now it's feeling just like an iPhone. Definitely feels like an iPhone. And that's how you can turn any Android phone into an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.